Today I wanted to show you this really beautifully renovated 2-bedroom townhouse in Las Palmeras de Benavista. We're right by the Benavista bowling club, all the shops and restaurants. The owners have done a stunning job. Log burning fireplace. Up just a few steps to the dining area, from where you can see the brand new kitchen. From here you're about 6-7 minutes walk across a footbridge to the beach, and 3 minutes walk from about 10-15 restaurants, shops, offices, hairdressers, butchers. Upstairs, this is the 2nd bedroom with air conditioning and fitted wardrobe. It's very spacious. Newly reformed bathroom, and then into the master bedroom, and lots of wardrobes. Ensuite bathroom and its own private sun trap. Looking over the community pool.